Welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. If you're new around here, and we do a butt ton of beauty related content, including makeup tutorials, which is what you're about to see. Today's video is a 3-look 1 palette tutorial. We're going to be using this one. Now this is not new in the beauty world, but it is new to me. This is the Natasha Denona Hyper Natural Face Palette. This is her here. She's absolutely stunning. And this is what the palette looks like. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I am obsessed with this shade, the shade called Dreamy. It is my absolute favorite, and I really like the color statement as well. I'm going to do some swatches and pop them up on my TikTok. If that's not around anymore by the time you see this, maybe check out my Instagram or my Facebook. I don't know, I'll have links and everything down below. But this is the palette that we're going to be doing 3 makeup looks with. This is the 3rd one that we're going to do. I cheated and brought in some extra products, but I just wanted to do something fun and out there. So anyway, let's get on with the makeup. it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Tag me in your videos or your photos of using this palette. I would love to see how other people use this palette. We all take in so much when we're scrolling through Facebook and TikTok and everything, and I would just love to be tagged in certain things so I can actually see them, not just find them. Does that make sense? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video, which will be in a new house. Just saying.